Man, what's going on, you guys? S58 Faisal back at it, and we're finally going to be starting creating videos again. Unfortunately, I've been distracted with a bunch of shit. I don't know if you guys know, but we got ourselves a 2022 X3M comp, Sao Paulo yellow. So the things that I've really done to this car was a mid-pipe. I got forced carbon in the front. I got carbon in the back. Just pretty much basic stuff here and there. The car is still completely stock at the factory. I usually go to two shops. I got Booster Beamers in Chicago, and then I got Toma Performance. Both are great shops. Nothing against each shop. They're just great people. I just choose, the convenience, if that makes sense. But today's gonna be a little bit different. Today I'm gonna be actually installing coilovers on the car. We got some BC Racing BR coils. So here are the coilovers. Now I actually got a steal price on those. I actually got those for $1,000 with the KW delete also. So I was like, dude, you know what? I'll take them. Why not? You know what I mean? It comes with everything that's needed. It's either that. I mean, we got that, and then we also have the KW delete kit also to go ahead and run with the setup itself. To take a look a little bit more about the car. Is that space? Yeah. More look about the car. I mean, it's simple. You know what I mean? Nothing really crazy to it. It's a little bit of a mess right now, but it is what it is. I like it. I genuinely like that car a lot. Oh, I added some little bit carbon accents right here. I'm gonna be replacing this piece also, hopefully sometime soon. I have it. I just haven't really done it yet. And then we're gonna take a look at that forced carbon right down here. That is also nice too. All right, guys, so the car's up on the lift now. We went ahead and they got the rears installed. Right there, you guys can tell, we're running the single mid-pipe. I think we got an exhaust leak or something over there, but we'll see how it goes, honestly. Currently in the process of doing the fronts. So these are the BCs. These are the stock ones. Dude, I hate the stock ones, honestly. We got my man out here doing the magic. Obviously, we're at Toma Performance. Can't really go anywhere else without that place. So the process is simple, you guys, right? We got the car up there. We're gonna have to go through some adjustments a little bit. So we're gonna drop the car down. Obviously, they're gonna go ahead and check and see if they're all evened out. I'm not trying to ride like this or like that, but I really don't think we're gonna be able to, I don't think we're gonna be able to take the car back home today. It is what it is. Tomorrow, definitely, without a doubt. And yeah, we'll just go based off of that, if that makes sense.